Hey, what's up, guys? We're here, and it's late at night. I'm taking a little break from the Kydex holster project, as you know, which you can see in another video, the making of and how to do it. This one's coming along pretty good. We're sort of at the early stages here, getting both panels matched up. And I've got a lot of good definition going on here. That means we're gonna have some good retention. But anyway, in a couple minutes, I wanted to talk about something that gets a lot of coverage, but I wanted to add some stuff to it, and that is grip tape and grip solutions. Now, first things we're going to do here, of course, as always, is safety check the firearm. We got a empty mag and an empty chamber, so I'm just going to put that in there, and away we go. Now, there are a bunch of different solutions for grip enhancement, insofar as, you know, a grip tape type solution. There's, as always, the skateboard tape, which is very popular, and then other pre-cut solutions that are sold specifically for your gun. Now, I found something the other day that I think is really great, and it is this stuff. It's 3M Safety Walk Step and Ladder Tread. And it just comes in a roll like any other skateboard tape, except for the fact that the surface texture is different. Now, you know, the skateboard tape, that stuff will, well, it's just that grit that's adhered to the paper, and it tends to come off. And you know, when I put it on previous guns, you know, I've had to sort of file it, sand it down against itself, so that it's not too aggressive or too abrasive. And then again, you get it, you know, so that it'll grab on your clothes, or it'll, you know, scratch your skin if you don't wear an undershirt. And then on top of it, that grit can come off and lose its traction over a period of time. This 3M tech stuff, if this guy will focus here, focus. Well, at any rate, it's got this rubberized rubberized outer coating, so the grip material is sort of sandwiched in there, and that makes it durable and longer lasting, and it also doesn't make it too aggressive overall. And it's great, you know, you cut it easily, and you know, the back of this peels off. I got a little sample here that I took off the roll just for the video, but you know, the back peels off just like any other grip tape. So I'd recommend it. I'd recommend it as, you know, if you are picky about how you want to tape your gun, or if you don't want to, you know, you got a whole bunch of guns and you don't want to pay for the individual, you know, custom cut solution for your gun. Now, another thing I want to talk about is application strategies for the grip tape. And what you'll notice immediately looking at this Smith & Wesson M&P here is that there's not that much tape on it. Now, the way I look at it is you can have two strategies. One is a judicious and strategic placement of reference points on the gun. And you'll see that I have the tape applied to the underside of the trigger guard, to the sort of front 3/4 section of the front strap here, and then to the full contact area of this back strap palm swell here. Now let me go over a little bit of philosophy here. When the grip is all one texture, you don't have a point of reference. Now, traction is really good, you know, if you're going to do a lot of fast shooting, and if you're going to be in a condition where you might be sweaty or your grip may otherwise be compromised. And so you want a lot of good traction. But the problem is that if the whole grip feels the same, it's really easy, especially when you're going from a really rapid draw, to wind up with not a perfect grip. It'll take a lot of concentration, or that gun might come out of the holster, and you might not have exactly the ideal grip that you're looking for, and then you're forced to shoot rapidly with an inconsistent grip, or one that might lend itself to a path of least resistance, or you might pull a couple shots to the left or the right based on the grip. Because grip is fundamental to accuracy. I mean, of course, you know, you'll always hear that the two most critical parts about accuracy are trigger control and sight alignment. But the consistency of the grip, I think, is foundational for both of those things to take place. So what I like to do is I like to put enough grip tape on my grip that when I draw from the holster, I know that when this portion of my finger comes into contact with this grip tape here, and that when this portion of my hand here comes into contact with the grip tape on this side, I can know instantly, before the gun comes out of the holster, whether or not I have my desired grip. And then, once I go for the two-handed grip, I roll this first knuckle here under the, sorry, crappy tripod on a crappy table here. I'll roll that hand under there, using this piece of grip tape as a point of reference and as a way to wedge my my reaction hand in there and have a good grip every time. So I have enough grip here that my left hand is solid, and then I have enough grip just in these two little places on this side that my right hand is solid. So I encourage you to experiment with grip tape strategies that'll give you points of reference and good contact, because you'll find that when your grip is more consistent and stable, your accuracy will improve as well. So that's just a little advice, a little recommendation on the 3M safety walk step and ladder tread tape, as well as a little strategy for locating your custom grip tapes. Good luck, guys.